Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to make fonts bold. Let's open up Microsoft Word by clicking on our Start button. Let's go to All Programs, find the Microsoft Office. Let's just open up Word. I'm going to type a little bit of text here that I want to make bold. Let's highlight the text. And to make that bold, which means it'll stand out more than other text around it, just click on the B. As you can see, it's gotten a little bit thicker. And if I uncheck my B and type a little more text beneath it, you can see that this text that I have made bold stands out a little more than what's below it. And if you want to do this on your keyboard, hold down your Control key and press the B. As you can see, some more is now bold. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to make text bold.